Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. May I quote Article 159, 2D. I had looked at it. Justice should or shall be administered without undue regard to procedural technicalities. This being a key witness, Honorable Speaker, I would have wished that you allow him to speak in a language that he is most comfortable, including putting the leader of majority on oath so that they can interpret to us. But now, since that is already passed by events.
It's already passed. Concentrate on the questions.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, you can see and you can hear that part of what he's saying is extremely important. And you actually have seen that he's struggling. Maybe two very, very quick questions that I want to ask to the witness, Honorable Trump. Number one, this link that was sent for you to vote, was it sent to the phone that you have there?
Yes, it's here.
Or the phone that was sent by the PA?
No. I was given by the ICT people in the office of where the election was made.
No, maybe allow me to ask the question.
Next question, that one is answered.
I was not voting at home. I was voting in the assembly.
Now, my second question, that link that was sent to that phone, did you attempt to open it? Did you attempt to open that message that was sent to your phone?
When I was in assembly, I left my phone in the car. This one.
So you came and found the message?
I found after that the message is there.
Then maybe finally.
And that message is still there up to now.
Maybe finally, because I personally believe that you are telling the truth. So which judge do you have?
Huh? Judge.
Your time is up, Senator Medhu.
Kanisagani?
Senator Medhu, resume your seat.
You want to know my judge? Wonders. I'm a Christian. Wonders Church. Yeah. Yes.